Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So if you didn't see the last video, we took the truck for its first drive and got a couple issues like you'd expect. So I'll link it up in the top corner to that last video. So here it is, got it outside. So the few issues we're having, clutch is slipping, which there's no free play at all in that pedal, so I'm really hoping a quick adjustment will fix that. Brakes need to be bled again, and this thing smokes like a freaking train. So I had my tuner send me a new map, so I'm gonna get a new map loaded up on here and see if that'll fix that smoking issue. And there was some blue smoke too, but it didn't smell like oil at all, so I'm really hoping that's just fuel. So let me get this map loaded on here and we can see what it does. Alright, I'm not going to bore you, so it's just loading the new map onto the ECU. So I'll get back with you once it's finished loading. Alright guys, that map's all loaded up. So now I'm going to go on VCDS, clear the codes, and then we can fire it up, see how it runs. Doesn't seem to be smoking quite as bad. I'm gonna go rip it around the field a little bit, see what it does. Alright guys, that new tune maybe helped out a little bit. We still got some fine tuning to do. But what I'm going to do now is check into this clutch. I think there's an adjustable arm on the pedal. So I'm going to check that out and adjust that and see if we can get this clutch to hold some power. Alright, yeah, like I thought, there's a adjustable arm on there, so we got a little free play in there now, so we'll see if that works. So now I'm going to try to get these brakes bled. I've already bled them pretty good, and I wasn't really getting a whole lot of fluid through the rears, and the rears are definitely not working. So I'm going to get my bleeder back hooked up and see if we can get this thing bled. Alright, went around, bled all the brakes again. So let's see if let's go out and take it for a burn real quick, see if the brakes and that clutch is any better. Alright guys, just got back from a little test drive and we got the brakes working. That's good. Clutch hasn't slipped. And I haven't really beat the crap out of it yet. I'm just still trying to make sure everything's still good to go. So that's a good sign so far. Hopefully it holds up. It's kind of hard to film and drive right now because alignment's all screwy, and still need to fine tune a few things on it, so that's why I didn't show it on the video. But yeah, so brakes good, clutch good. I think my tuner is going to send me another map that I'm going to load on here because it's still pretty smoky. I think it's got a lot of fuel added to the map, so I'll get that new map loaded up once I get it and see how that is. But it's coming together, guys. Driving, actually, other than the alignment, it rides pretty decent. I got a little bit of vibration, and I'm gonna say it's probably because that bolt I put through that motor mount. But the good thing is it's gonna keep that thing together, so I can live with a little vibration. So that's gonna have to do the job for now. So I'll update you guys once I get a new map on it, get the thing aligned and more roadworthy. I still need to get that bumper back. Once I get to that point, we'll take another video of driving it, kind of beating it up, see what I can do. And it feels like it's got, I mean, I've got into it quite a bit, not all the way pinned, but in quite a bit, and it's got some freaking power. So very impressed so far with the power, and it's not super laggy. The turbo's at 1856, and I thought he was going to have, you know, quite a bit of lag, but it honestly isn't that bad at all. So I'll show you guys once I get it running better. I mean, I guess not running better, but driving better. Take better videos of it. So stay tuned, guys. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.